Most policies cover like up to $5,000 just for water coming in for any reason.
Zero. No. I mean, if you leave a window, if a tree, no, it doesn't. If a tree falls on your house, breaks your window, and then rain comes in as a result, that's different. That's fine.
I mean, if we just had a storm and I get water in my basement, I'll pay $5,000.
Okay, now you're into another area. Let's get into that area now for you. Water backup. Okay, water backup. Again.
That was sewer.
No, let's just do water backup. All right, I'm already under the clock here. Yeah, probably it's a very common type of claim. The water backup is generally that type of claim costs about $10,000. Okay, your sump pump fails, water comes in. Well, let's look at that a little different. How come I'm paying an extra $75 to raise my coverage to $30,000? Well, I'll tell you why. If I have a finished basement, which I do, and that water comes in and it destroys all my furniture in the basement, well, it's not covered by the homeowners. So those who said, oh, I have it from Progressive, sorry, not covered. Okay? You need to have coverage for water backup to pay for the resulting damage it's going to do. Again, what caused the claim? Some pump failed, water came in. So now all of a sudden you have the couch down there, your elliptical machine, and all that stuff is damaged. You need water backup. All right? And most people do not want to pay that extra $75, but you know, if they have a finished basement, they should. All right.
Have replacement costs on the other product. Does that cover
replacement
cost?
No. Again, this water backup gets triggered because it's a water backup claim. All right. Doesn't trigger the other thing. So, and most people have, like Chuck said, I have $5,000. That's more of a nominal amount they give you. But what are you going to do when the damage is 20? You're eating $15,000.
Well, the biggest thing that goes is your heater, depending on the height, right?
Yeah.
I mean, your heating system can go if it's in a flood. There's no repairing that, right?
Correct.
Correct. The National Gas Association determines if the heater is wet, it is condemned. It is.
There's your $5,000 plus.
There's 15.
Oh, yeah, $5,000 they pay for much when it comes to a flood in the basement.
Now, when we moved out of our house, the movers unplugged our sump pump in the basement. Our basement was finished, but thankfully nothing was down there. And
It flooded.
it was bad. Just to replace the carpet and to have somebody, cleaning service come in and dry it up, I think it was like $6,000, $7,000, something like that. And that was just carpet.
Yeah.
And the cleaning.
It wasn't a big area.
Yeah.
It wasn't a typically big